morning, honey. You sure we're up early today?
Yeah, gotta get to it while it's fresh.
Oh, are you, working on a new song or something?
Not really. I just have a melody in my mind, and I need to get out before I forget it.
Well, that's good news. That's exciting. It seems like it's been a while since I've seen you in a creative burst.
Okay, Oona. I'm sorry I can't pump out a new song every week like one of your little drawings. Okay, I'm sorry. You know what I mean? Just sometimes I take it very seriously. So, but what I always say, it's always for you, babe.
Oh, I know. I'm proud of you. Keep it up. You're doing great.
Oona, Vintia, we've been through this before.
It's not like that.
It's always like that.
It came to her last night in a dream. A simple tune that could maybe change the world.
The whole world?
Well,
Really?
yeah, maybe. You don't know. Louise,
What?
come on. Be with me on this. Ideas don't happen in an instant. They take time to grow. Like the flame that burns the candle. You just have to blow. And it dies. I
You
can't be that person. I won't snuff out her light. Whatever comes of this new thing, she just needs more time.
Oona, you've sung the song before.
To hope is not a crime.
I get it. I got it. I just don't want to see you hurting.
It's been her dream forever, and now I've made it mine.
As long as you know where to draw the line.
When we're stumbling. When we're stumbling, blind. Ah!
Hey, is everything going okay in there? Piper? Piper, are you okay? Hello, Louise? She's gone. No. It's probably fine. It's probably fine. But could you please... No, Could you just call the guys and see if we can get some eyes on her, please? Thank you. You're the best. Okay. Yeah, okay. I'll keep you posted. Bye-bye. Hey, honey, how's it going?
What do you mean how it's going? You haven't heard how it's been going?
Well, I thought it sounded good. I just wanted to know how you're doing. Make sure you're taking care of yourself. Would you like a cookie?
This is taking care of myself. This is what it means to care about something. Can't you see? I haven't had this in forever, and you buzzing in my ear about it's not helping.
Oh, Piper, honey, I get it. I can't just sit back and watch you go through these destructive cycles over and over again and not say anything. I can't not know where you are. I can't. We've talked about this. You know that you've got to put your health before your music.
Oh, so my music is not important.
No, that's not what I said.
No.
You know that's not
No,
what I said.
I can't do this anymore.
Piper, just come back back. Let's talk about this, please.
There's dust. One more thing. What is it? It'll come. I just need more time to make this shine. Do you know what thunder is? It's pressure, destruction. Atoms tearing themselves apart as light rips through the sky. All to make a balance. All to make something new.
Well, I can't say I've ever thought about it.
At least you're honest. If we were to be friends, shouldn't friends be honest?
Hey, look, we're not friends and we never will be. I just got some calls about you.
Interesting calls?
Not exactly. Let's get you inside. I think it's about to rain.